Big news! Benewake has released a new user-level LiDAR product, TFmini Plus. The TFmini Plus is a time-of-flight distance sensor capable of measuring the distance from 10 centimeters to 12 meters. The TFmini Plus distance resolution reaches 5 millimeters. Like TFmini, TFmini Plus runs off a 5-volt input voltage, pulling an average of less than 110 milliampere. Communicates over UART and I2C. Ambient light immunity of 70 K lux. Central wavelength of 850 nanometers. And operation temperatures ranges from -20 Celsius to 60 Celsius. Frame rate is adjustable from 1 to 1000 Hertz. IP65 rated enclosure design makes it dust tight and water resistant. And it's all packed in an incredibly small package. Size of 35 by 18.5 by 21 millimeters, and a powerful performance make it suitable for more application environments, and a pair of threaded mounting holes on the back can help for installation. TFmini Plus can be integrated into robots and drones for tasks such as collision avoidance and attitude holding. It can also be used as level sensor for bins, feeders, tanks, or other industrial applications. TFmini Plus can be used as a vehicle counter in the intelligent traffic system. It also has lots of fun applications in smart retail industry. Check it out over en.benewake.com for more details of TFmini Plus.